Warning. This is the SCP Foundation's automatic emergency alert system. If you hear this alert, an incident has occurred that is beyond the Foundation's prevention capabilities. We ask all who hear this message to go to the nearest shelter out of sunlight. Do not come into contact with sunlight. Do not go outside during daylight hours. The sun is now a threat. Contact with light is a fate worse than death. Please do not leave the room if something is calling you outside. The Foundation staff will try to arrange for everything you need to get to your shelters as soon as possible. The existence of the human race is threatened. Only all of us together will be able to adapt to the new conditions of life on our planet. Authorized persons will give you the equipment and frequencies to communicate with us and with each other. Stay safe, stay in touch with us. Good luck to us all, and may the higher powers help us. If the situation changes, we will change the message.
Get outside. Friends out there. I am a friend. Come out. Come out. Come out. Please come out. You alone. We not. Be with us. Son is friend.